Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another scenery kit. This one being the Metcalfe Engage Country Style Goods Shed, which is PN912, and it's a rather nice looking kit here. It does include two buildings, which is the, actually let me just show you on the back here. It does include the goods shed itself and also a coal shed as well. I think there's a coal shed? Coal office, that was it. Yeah. So let's get to work on having a look at that. It does come with a instruction manual, which is very useful, and it's all in colour as well, which is very nice to see. Let me just hold it this way up for you. It does come with, how many seats is it? 5 seats. So we've got the sheet A, which is the main big one over here. So I'm trying to be a bit careful with. Here we go. So it's got all the outside parts of the goods shed. And let me just see, coal office. Yeah, we've got bits of the coal office here and there as well. But it's mostly just the goods shed itself. I'll pop that there for me. We've got sheet B, which is mainly for the platform for goods shed, and also some of the doors. And oh wait, the coal office is on that one. I don't know what the other one was then. So yeah, coal office is here with the windows as well. And here's the platform, the outside platform and the inside platform, and ridges and all stuff like that. Let me pop you underneath A. And we've got sheet C, which is the grey one at the back here. That's just all the structural strengthening card. So it's all grey, but it's all quite thick card. It's about 1 mil thick, which is the same thickness which I use to build all my buildings with. So that'll be quite strong for Engage. And then we've got the last two, which is the glazing. So that's all the glass and stuff which you need for both buildings. So that's both the goods shed and also the coal office. And they're all labelled quite well and quite nicely. And then you got the finer details with sheet L1. So you got the steps here. And that's the roof supports. I'm not too sure what these ones are. These look like they're for the chimneys, but we'll find out along the way. So that's all of it there. The tools you'll need, first of all, it's glue. I'll be using both UHC glue and also super glue. You're meant to use a little fine adapter for it, but I just tend to use my fingers. So that will be what I'll be using today. You need a knife or scalpel of some kind. I'm using a retractable box cutter knife, which is quite useful. Pair of scissors, which is just in case you need to use something a bit more delicate and well, actually a bit more easy to use, really. And what I keep forgetting to mention is you need some tweezers, which helps with the small parts, and also a ruler of some kind, just to also make sure that you're cutting neat and tidy. Also helps you bend things if you need to. So let me just pop these all over here. And I'll pop that one over there just so that's out of the way. And yeah, I'll get started. Actually, we're just quickly having a go here. Oh yeah. Also, if you do want to, you can also paint the edges and corners. So a paint kit, paint set would also be quite useful. But I don't bother doing that because I'm lazy. So yeah, it does mention paint corners and the edges as well. But yeah, it does tell you the tools. Tells you the glue. Ultra fine tip glue adapters. Yeah, you don't need that. Extracting. So first things we do is extract the components from the base sheets. But I like to do that instead. Let's have a look here. Yep, start with the track side wall. So it tells you where to start here. And also it does mention to sort out all the windows first. So that's why I always start with the windows first, because it means that it gets them out the way and they'll be dry by the time you put them in. So I'm actually going to get started with the windows and line them all up. It should tell me which ones they live where. Ooh, so I'm going to extract all of these first. Luckily there's not too many windows. And then I'll get started in gluing them all in. So let me find out where they live. Yeah, we just need 3 windows there, 2 windows there, and that is most of it. Yeah, 3 and 2. Yeah, actually we can go start doing them as we go through, so it's not too bad. Most of the time they do tell you to put all the windows in first. Anyway, I'm going to stop going on and we'll get started with it. So I've got my drink here, I've got a few snacks here in case I get a bit hungry, and I've got YouTube to watch in the meantime. So yeah, I'll see you. Probably won't take me too long. At most it'll take me about 3 hours, but I doubt it'll take me that long. The only time it'll take me that long is when I have a break in between. But it is lunchtime. Well, not lunchtime. It is dinner time soon, so I probably will have a break in between. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Well, here we are. We've finished the goods shed and the coal office. It's looking rather nice. It is a bit large for my turntable, but oh well. But yeah, didn't have too many problems. The only thing which I did do is I forgot to put the cardboard support for the roof on the goods shed in first. So I had to carefully remove that and quickly pop that back in. But yeah, it wasn't too much of a problem. I have done pretty much everything. I did find it easier to do the. Let me have a look here. The chimneys. I did that. There is actually a little guide thing to help with that, but I just found it easier to do it myself. So yeah, you can use that if you want to, but I preferred not to on the second one. What else? You do get little doors for the ends of the goods shed, but I left them off because I said that I normally give these away, so I decided to leave that off for now. Same with the outside platform, which I have built, but again I'll leave it off in case the new owner decides they don't want it. But yeah, very happy with it. It's turned out very nicely, and it took me about, not including the break, because I did have a small break for cleaning up and also having my dinner, yeah, about 2 hours. But if you want to go a bit more leisurely pace, excuse me, probably about an afternoon. Not too bad. And somebody's knocked a radiator downstairs, but yeah, about an afternoon's worth. But yeah, it's very nice. And I'll just lift it up just so you can see the insides. Let me just get it here. Yeah, very nice that is. And yeah, for about what was it? I think something like about £12 or something like that. It wasn't all that expensive, but it was definitely less than 15. Yeah, very nice kit. Very happy with how it turned out. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. So do let me know what you think of the Metcalfe goods shed and coal office. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Either way, it's now going to be somebody else's at some giveaway or something like that. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy your day. And yeah, if you do like the video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy your day. And yeah, I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye.